Madrid Courts of Justice, another one that talks about the modification of facades, the incidence of heat and sun, the way a facade can be modified to not only shade but also to harness and create a new generation, if you like, of cladding skins that can modify how the sun can be, how different facades, different facades will adapt depending on their orientation and the density, east, south, west, to modify. And this is something that we've been exploring on Tower 2 with the vertical fins on the east and west and potentially on the south as well, to just keep that sun off of the glazed elements. And then finally, since we're in America, I'll talk about Russia. Here's the Moscow City Tower, which is currently on the drawing boards. And when I go back to the world, and that this is a global situation we're facing with building design and sustainability, it's also fantastic to see that the new developments in Russia and elsewhere in the world are also embracing these concepts. So here's the plan. It's a bit like Commerzbank blown apart and turned inside out, where the cores are in the center. This is a sort of services highway that runs up through the building. We have 21-meter floor plates with a lot of natural light, a lot of air flow, cross-ventilation, negative pressures on the leeward sides. And there's the energy highway, as it were, use of the river water for the energy systems in the building, using thermopiles, natural ventilation, and also mixed use, high density living, working, and playing.